The generic word for any box or container equipped with a lid used for storing or transporting goods is
scatola,
feminine plural
scatole,
in Italian.
scatola,
Scatole come in many forms, including
scatola di plastica,
plastic box or container,
scatola di cartone,
cardboard box,
scatola di metallo,
metal box or container,
scatola di legno.
wooden box or container.
Ho usato una scatola di cartone per spedire le mie cose in Italia.
I used a cardboard box to ship my belongings to Italy. A big box is known as a
Scatolone,
whereas a small box can be called either a
scatolino,
masculine or
scatolina,
feminine. Scatola and its diminutive form
scatoletta,
can also refer specifically to a can or tin used to store food, and the expression
in scatola,
means canned or tinned. For example, a can of beans is called,
una scatola di fagioli,
whereas canned beans would translate as.
fagioli in scatola.
You can also use the noun scatola to refer to the contents of a box. For example,
Si è mangiato una scatola di biscotti.
he ate a box of cookies. The idiomatic expression,
Comprare a scatola chiusa.
literally to buy with a closed box, is used to describe the action of buying something without actually seeing it first, because you firmly believe in the quality.
Il ricco mercante d'arte ha acquistato un raro ritratto a scatola chiusa.
The wealthy art dealer purchased a rare portrait sight unseen. As euphemisms for testicles go, you can't get much better than the plural scatole, boxes. It appears most frequently in the following four expressions.
Mi stai rompendo le scatole.
You're bothering me. Literally, you're breaking my boxes.
Mi stai sulle scatole.
I can't stand you. Literally, you're on my boxes.
Levati dalle scatole.
Get out of my way. Literally, remove yourself from my boxes.
Ne ho piene le scatole di questa situazione.
I can't stand this situation anymore. Literally, I have my boxes full of this situation. Some other kinds of scatole you might come across include
Scatola cranica,
skull, cranium,
scatola nera,
black box,
scatola sorpresa, scatola magica,
jack in the box,
scatola del cambio.
gearbox.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.